This is the collection Annanstans, which means elsewhere in Swedish. An IKEA collaboration between Martin Bergström and skilled craftspeople from social entrepreneur initiatives in India, Romania, and Thailand.
The big question for me around the collaboration has been, how can we bring our differences together, making them work in a collection? So we've been pushing both our boundaries, mixing my ideas with artisans' traditions and handicraft, until we got the right feeling to each item. I was inspired by silence and remote islands. I wanted to create something you can't really put into words, like daydreams and memories existing elsewhere. Collages and silent poetry. These things create the foundation for Annanstans. Like a daydream, Annanstans collection won't be around forever. Annanstans is a handcrafted and limited collection, which makes every item a bit different but also special. I want people to think of their pieces like new friends in their home, someone you want to take good care of for a long time.